Hey, I'm Jessica from Dezy It Demo Clinic. How can I help you?
Hey, so I've actually been searching for a good doctor since a really long time for getting a nose job, but I really don't even know where to start from.
I understand it can feel overwhelming to start this journey. Rhinoplasty is a common procedure, and finding the right doctor is important. Dr. Miller is board certified and has over 15 years of experience with excellent results. Would you like to know more about the procedure or the consultation process?
Can I know a bit more about the procedure? Because I am new to this whole thing.
Of course, rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure that reshapes the nose to improve its appearance or function. It can involve altering the bone, cartilage, and skin. Recovery usually takes a few weeks, with swelling decreasing over time. It's important to have a consultation to discuss your goals and expectations. What else would you like to know?
This honestly sounds a bit scary because, is it even safe? Like, what if something goes wrong?
I understand your concerns. It's completely normal to feel apprehensive. Rhinoplasty is very safe when performed by a certified surgeon like Dr. Miller. He has a strong track record and prioritizes patient safety. Complications are rare, but it's important to discuss any worries during your consultation. Would you like more information on what to expect during that meeting?
Yeah, I would actually really like that.
Great. During the consultation, Dr. Miller will discuss your goals and assess your nose. He'll explain the procedure in detail, including risks and recovery. You can ask any questions or express concerns. This is your chance to feel comfortable and informed. Would you like to schedule a consultation?
I actually have a few more questions because go to work every day, and how long will the whole thing take to recover from?
That's a good question. Recovery from rhinoplasty typically takes about 1 to 2 weeks for initial healing, but full recovery can take several months for swelling to fully subside. Most people return to work within a week, depending on their job and how they feel. It's important to follow post-operative care for the best results. What else would you like to know?
Yeah, but there are so many horror stories out there that I've read about online about rhinoplasty, and I'm still a bit unsure.
I understand how information overload can make you feel uncertain. It's important to remember that everyone's experience is unique. Many patients have positive outcomes, especially when they choose a qualified surgeon like Dr. Miller. A consultation can help address your specific concerns and provide clarity. Would you like to discuss anything particular that you've read?
Yeah, I've read about so many complications, right? So, what if something goes wrong during the surgery? What then? What do I do?
It's completely valid to worry about complications. While they are rare, your safety is a top priority. Dr. Miller will thoroughly discuss potential risks during your consultation, and he has protocols in place to handle any issues if they arise. Post-surgery, you'll have follow-up appointments to ensure everything is healing properly. Open communication is key, so you can always reach out with concerns. Would you like more details on the follow-up care?
That sounds good. Yeah, that sounds good.
I'm glad that helps. After surgery, you'll have a follow-up appointment scheduled to monitor your healing. Dr. Miller will check your progress and address any concerns. It's important to attend these appointments to ensure everything is on track. If you have any issues before your follow-up, you can contact our office for guidance. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yeah, I am actually concerned about the privacy, right? Because I really don't want anyone else knowing about the whole procedure.
I completely understand your concern about privacy. Your confidentiality is very important to us. We maintain strict privacy policies, and all patient information is kept secure and confidential. You can feel comfortable discussing your needs and concerns with us. If you have any other questions or need more information, feel free to ask.
Actually, the thing is, I really don't want to mess anything up. So, can you give me any tips for, like, how I could prepare for the surgery?
Absolutely. Preparing for surgery is important. Here are a few tips. 1. Have a thorough discussion with Dr. Miller about your goals and expectations. 2. Make sure to inform him of any medical conditions or medications you're taking. 3. Stay away from blood thinners like aspirin a week before surgery. 4. Arrange for someone to help you at home after the procedure. 5. Adhere to pre-surgery instructions given by the doctor. These steps can help you feel more prepared. If you have more questions or need guidance, I'm here to help.
So I'm a really indecisive person, okay? Is there any visualizations or before or after pictures that will be shown to me by any chance at all?
I completely understand being indecisive. It's a big decision. During your consultation, Dr. Miller can show you before and after photos of previous patients. This can help you visualize potential results and make a more informed choice. It's a great way to discuss your goals. Would you like to schedule that consultation?
I'm actually still really scared that I'll regret it later. Like, what if I don't like how I look?
It's natural to feel scared about potential regrets. Many patients share that concern. To help you feel more confident, Dr. Miller will work with you to understand your desired outcomes and manage expectations. It's important to have open discussions about what you're hoping for. Taking your time to think it through is perfectly okay. If you have more questions or want to talk about your feelings, I'm here to listen.
So how do I even know that this is right for me? How do I even know that this is what I want, that nose job is something that I want to get done?
It's completely normal to question if rhinoplasty is right for you. A good starting point is to reflect on your reasons for wanting the procedure. Consider how it aligns with your personal goals and feelings about your appearance. A consultation with Dr. Miller can provide clarity. He can help you explore your motivations and whether the surgery can meet your expectations. Take your time with this decision, and remember, it's important to feel comfortable and confident in your choice. What else would you like to discuss?
Um, Honestly, Dr. Miller sounds great, but there are so many surgeons out there, right? So how do I even know which one to pick?
That's a very valid concern. When choosing a surgeon, consider these factors. Check their credentials, like board certification and experience in rhinoplasty. Look for patient reviews and before and after photos to gauge their results. Trust your instincts during the consultation. Feeling comfortable and heard is crucial. Dr. Miller has a strong background and positive patient feedback, making him a great option. If you have more specific questions about choosing a surgeon, feel free to ask.
I think that sounds good, right? Like you've helped me understand a lot about rhinoplasty and like the procedures surrounding it. So, can you tell me a little bit more about the costings and the pricing?
I'm glad I could help clarify things for you. The cost of rhinoplasty can vary based on factors like the complexity of the procedure and the surgeon's experience. Typically, it can range from $5,000 to $15,000. This usually includes the surgeon's fee, anesthesia, and facility costs. We can also discuss insurance options, as some plans may cover part of the procedure. Would you like me to provide more details on payment options or insurance?
Yes, please.
We accept various insurance providers like United Healthcare, Anthem, and Kaiser Permanente. Coverage can vary, so it's best to check with your insurance company. If you have a specific insurance provider in mind, I can confirm if we work with them. Additionally, we offer payment plans for those who prefer to manage costs over time. Let me know if you need more information.
I'm a little scared about the security part of sharing such information.
It's completely understandable to feel concerned about privacy and security. We take patient confidentiality very seriously. All your information is stored securely, and we follow strict privacy policies to protect your data. You can feel safe discussing your insurance and personal details with us. If you have more questions about our practices or anything else, I'm here to help.
So, is this gonna be like a one-time thing, or do I need to keep visiting the clinic for getting checkups or like touch-ups?
After your rhinoplasty, you will have follow-up appointments to monitor your healing. Typically, these occur within the first few weeks after surgery. Most patients don't need touch-ups, but some may opt for minor adjustments later on. Dr. Miller will guide you on the appropriate follow-up schedule based on your recovery. It's essential to attend these appointments for the best results. If you have more questions about post-surgery care, feel free to ask.
Sounds good. Like you've addressed a lot of my concerns. I would like to book an appointment.
I'm so glad to hear that. Booking a consultation is a great step. We have available slots at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. on weekdays. Which time works best for you?
Can you give me the nearest possible slot on December 12th, please?
Sure, on December 12th, the nearest available slots after 11:09 a.m. are 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Which one would you prefer?
Yeah, I think I'll go ahead with the 2 p.m.
Great choice. I'll go ahead and book your consultation for December 12th at 2 p.m. Can I have your name and contact number to confirm the appointment?
Yeah, the name is Emily Thompson.
Thank you, Emily. Can I have your contact number, please?
It's something I don't feel okay sharing.
That's perfectly fine, Emily. Your comfort is important. We can schedule the appointment without your contact number. I have you booked for December 12th at 2 p.m. If you have any questions before then, feel free to reach out. You're all set.